It's a disgrace. What's going on in this country, I think it's a disgrace.
US President Donald Trump's reaction after he cleared for release a controversial memo alleging surveillance law abuses. It was written by this man, Devin Nunes, a Trump political ally who is head of the Intelligence Committee in the US House of Representatives. After reading secret documents, Nunes wrote this 4-page memo in which he alleges that the investigation into the Trump campaign's links with Russia was flawed because, he claims, officials used an unverified dossier on Trump to help obtain a surveillance warrant on a Trump operative. Officials did not disclose the dossier was partly funded by Hillary Clinton's campaign, and law enforcement officials leading the probe were biased. The memo was based on classified information, so it was up to US President Trump to authorize its release. In a tweet, he claimed it revealed bias at the top of the FBI and Justice Department. He wrote, "The top leadership and investigators of the FBI and Justice Department have politicized the sacred investigative process in favor of Democrats and against Republicans, something which would have been unthinkable just a short time ago. Rank and file are great people." The release of this memo now pits the US president against the leadership of the FBI, the Justice Department, and the intelligence agencies of the United States. US President Trump's critics argue it's all done for one purpose, and that is to question the investigation into him, his campaign's possible collusion with Russia in the election, and possible charges of obstruction of justice. Many of those Trump is accusing of bias are his appointees, including Republicans. The FBI suggested the memo is misleading and issued this unprecedented statement before its release, saying the FBI was provided a limited opportunity to review this memo the day before the committee voted to release it. As expressed during our initial review, we have grave concerns about material omissions of fact that fundamentally impact the memo's accuracy. Trump's political opponents, the Democrats, agree and say the memo may be used as an excuse by President Trump to fire the special counsel looking into his campaign's ties to Russia. Robert Mueller was appointed by the very Justice Department officials criticized in this memo. Mueller was once the head of the FBI himself and is a Republican, but Trump has already fired one head of the FBI since taking office. Many fear another political purge may be coming. Nathan King, CGTN, Washington.